Hello boys and girls, welcome back with the third puzzle. The third puzzle in this additional. In today's newspaper of Tuesday, July the 11th, 2023, I've already solved two puzzles, the 1-star Sudoku and the 4-star Sudoku, so two puzzles remain. The taxonomic with 4 stars, this one will be a hard one, has 10 printed digits. But let me continue with the binary puzzle. Yes, it's binary at a time. And this one will be number 6737. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 16 printed digits. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 by 8. Binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 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 Double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 O's comes in 1. 4 ones we have here in this column, so the rest are O's. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Between 2 ones comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Then double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. 4 ones we have here in the last row, so the rest are O's. And 4 O's we have here in the last column, so the rest are 1s, and 4 ones we have here, so in the first row, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here in the second column, so the rest are 1s. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. And 4 O's we have here in the first column, so the rest are 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4. Correct. Finish in 3 minutes. Well. We solve it again, and I like this one without comparing. Yes. If you like this too, thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the last puzzle for today. A tectonic with 4 stars. Until then, bye bye for now.